Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another apecoin price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the apecoin chart. And before I start the video, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, apecoin has managed to break above a high that we made at around the $5.5475 mark, and has also continued trading above the 20-day MA. And before I get into that part of the technical analysis, allow me to start the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a recap of what has been happening, and also give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, where you can see that apecoin, after making its low at around the $2.5976 mark, we started a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that has been obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in red, having the wave 5 making its peak at around the $4.6 mark, and also completing the formation of that first wave to the upside. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, whatever we expected next is a bit of a corrective structure in the formation of a second wave. And in the formation of that second wave, we also expected to see an ABC corrective structure fully maximizing, having the wave C fully maximizing the formation of that second wave, and also getting into the minimum retracement area in the formation of that second wave. And after seeing the low for that second wave, whatever we expect next is a bounce to the upside in the formation of a higher Elliott wave count 3. And by first sketching out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, using a trend based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, that gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies at around the $6.465 mark. And that is the minimum that I'm expecting that higher Elliott wave count 3 to the upside to do, and that is what I'm expecting on the long-term scenarios. And getting to the short-term scenarios, in the formation of that higher Elliott wave count 3, we also expect to see a fractal wave in formation within that wave 3, because a wave 3 is an impulsive wave. And here on the charts you can see that I have this Elliott wave structure in blue, having that as the first wave, then a wave 2, a wave 3. We have also seen a retracement to the lower side in the formation of that wave 4, which perfectly got into our minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 4, before we started a very nice bounce to the upside in what we can term as that wave 5, to fully maximize our target area at around the $6.45 mark in the formation of that higher Elliott wave count 3. And getting a little bit into the details of the formation of this wave 5, because that is what is going to give me the short-term scenarios, and also jump to the 1-hour chart. In the formation of that wave 5, which is an impulsive wave also, we also expect to see a 5-wave structure in formation. And here on the 1-hour chart, we can count a lower Elliott wave degree, where you can see that I have these as the first wave, then you have seen a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5 is what is in formation to fully maximize our target area to the upside. And since we have the support of the 20-day MA, that means we have the support that we need for us to continue pushing even higher. And there is a key area of resistance that I'm continuing to watch at around the $6 mark. So in case apecoin continues to push even higher in the formation of this wave 5 in that impulsive move to the upside, I'm expecting apecoin to manage to break above the key area of resistance at around the $6 mark. And once that happens, then we can expect a retest, and once the retest is in, then we can continue pushing even higher to fully maximize our target area to the upside in the formation of that higher Elliott wave count 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios, and also on the long-term scenarios. I'm expecting apecoin to continue pushing even higher. And here on TradingView, you can see that the market is up by 3.7%, meaning we have continued to see a lot of strength to continue pushing even higher and fully maximize our target area at around the $6.45 mark. So that is what I'm expecting. And the next key area that I'm watching here on the apecoin chart is at around the $6 mark, where we'll be facing a key area of resistance, where we can either manage to break above that key area of resistance, or maybe get rejected and see a bit of a pullback to the lower side before we find support, and then manage to break above that key area of resistance to fully maximize our target area to the upside. And also taking a look at the indicators, Here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 63 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to support any movements to the upper side before we get to the overbought region here on the RSI. Also, taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, and that means higher prices are still coming our way. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll keep you updated.